Assalamu alaikum. Hi YouTube channel. Hi YouTubers. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment if you happen to see this video. So today we are going to cook Arabic snack called bakura. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, my dears. If you like it, hit that button of like. Okay, so to cook this is carrot. You put 1 carrot, you put as much as onions as you like. Red onions, you put green onions, leaves of onions, and you put cauliflower. I have here one raw one. It looks like this one. In Arabic it called zahra. So after that you mix them, but that cauliflower you must cook it to be soft when you're mixing it. Like this, you mix it first. Okay, after that you put this one, commonly as baqdunus in Arabic, but in English it is called parsley. You put this parsley, then you put the bakura tahin, bakura flour. Looks like this. Yeah, it looks like this. You put 2 cups. 2 cups. 2 cups. Okay, after that you put this 1 tablespoon baking powder. You put this paprika, you put black pepper, cumin and salt. But me, I don't put too much baharat because I don't like baharat too much. I put 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika, and the smell I put as I don't put much because I keep on taste as a woman. Okay, you put in, and then after that you put water, you mix it like this and leave it for 5 minutes. So we cook our oil, and then we start to put in. We use this spoon. Put. Here we go. This is how our bakula looks like. You see, it looks like this. So soft and fluffy. So my dears, I cook from outside. Our kitchen is being, they are repairing it, but the reason why we put baking powder in it, we want it to expand, to become big shweya. Yeah, so when you're putting it in the oil, don't put too much. At least you can use teaspoon. That's what I use. I use big because I know how to measure it. Okay, yeah. So guys, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to like and comment. Your comments means a lot. I learn more things about your comments. Please guys, subscribe. Thank you. We'll meet another time, inshallah.